Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can join a meeting if you were removed by host. So let's say you are removed by the host. Now what to do to join the meeting. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. So now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to the join again, and now go to drop down menu. Now this time over here you'll be having the latest let's say Zoom meeting that you were in, and then you can change your name first of all. So let me just go with this one and press on join, and then you will be joined to the meeting back again. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.